Okay, so what we're trying to achieve here, other than security? Well, we want to give you an attractive door. And this product, I think you can see overall, it looks really sleek and modern. It's got the option of the long pull handles. You can see we've got a flush frame that merges beautifully with your building, creating those good, simple, classic lines. And then the poster over here, you can see you can build other options like vision panels and different kinds of vision panels. This small door here has got 3, or you could have 2 long ones, or indeed 1 long one. So we've got many different options that build up a great looking door.